Okay. Good morning. Guseke gusita bateba bwakire, gusaso gutoka bwairire. When you come in, gusekera ogocha. Tigante me ukwane gusi compete ne ediva na no ukwane ke gusi bya sana. Admire the way ukwane ke gusi kieke nuke tigante me ukwane ke gusi because ekyombe kine kyaba gusi. Onyogo konyora asiritangani page yane ekoroku keeping up with Penny O. Please nyanche songo like it. Genda ari YouTube subscribe. Na andika iganto bwate stars nabokonga stars or through your credit card. Stars echichigo chiaba chibese Facebook ego chiros chiaba chibese chiriye kero na atumirwe cheki bago ntumire cheki ya se poster na ira nakanira abana chintakane school fees. So nonye mambi nabokonyora naye gwachire oganito gwakanira abana ba school fees. So ingachi stars chiri kore moyo nchiri bese nyingi nabo gutoma nchenja kubeke namba ya mpesa bali batabwatie card na mugo ntomera kabese gakeigo kabese akuna kaira nagasangani na rwera abana school fees. Igonye gokonyora for the first time please nkwani ontebya sogo nkwani kuru na ande olike elieta lia ulendo gwateba malieta ya Facebook mugutumia gara makonsana nyoko bwate lieta li nyaboke onchonga likanga na ukwanire no onchonga na ukwanire kuluke jauri oyo omboga na ukwanire kuru Mombasa at least likama lieta ali irondo ontari kucha kobaligi lieta leke usi ntebi nkonyora muri bono rero nili tukuli kuru ku gratitude Wednesday ntege tochora abantu batano abantu batano otaite gwakirambia mona aseli tukulia rero onye korense litukulia rero Wednesday mambi Thursday gokoboka for the first thing ucha gukora nukurangiria abantu abo batano obatebimbia mona soko bwa soboguma bwao bono I am passionate about mentoring. I am passionate about talking to young people. Igo audience ngo target mono nonde ole miaka 47 na wo chance ama kongaro onye kole miaka 48 na wo chigoro na yora achole gontegerera because aybono no mokegolio nole no wate chileson chilimbwate lakini kora anche ko tegerera because miaka tiyo yoko etani kwebundisa na bokonyora kwebundisire ntekemo korwa sende una na inche kwebundisa korwa sabantu bande iyo abantu balimo mwanyora rero litangani please korege ntekia anche page yani koroko keeping up with Penny O efaida nero yo wanche page yekero bwate following ere x amount of following Facebook na bego koyeke egu here and there ebintu biribire bitoche Facebook ekolu na intu nabo tutaito to binyole wetera saba usibaito elinde tonyale gokonyana bono injente tenchora abantu bane batano nane kerongo chora abantu bane batano young people inte temba be kero mubweka neki ekindengerere tibirengerere byane mbaye egisambo manyete gokora egisambo negente kirinda abantu bande bebundise inte tenchora rero ngo chora abantu batana basacha abasacha ngo chakere rero abasacha batano ntete gochora umusacha umutangani ntete gochora gwakire nyasambi yamono tata Jafeth ongwenyo begi gaibuire angeiga mwaka 1926 tata asirite kare 89 years old oino monto ntete gwakire mbiyamona asoboguma bwane his late asirite miaka 10 yaere lakini ntete gwakire na mbeya manga tata mbiyamono onye tali erondu setigesima akandeta nyando chebere akangira ali bosongo ngamanya kolini gwa kamba nkaenda Nairobi ngacha America bono New Jersey ngokwanera ko rwega alimi I credit my father nera onye tali tata ngatindiga iga America onye tali tata bweru seti asobotaka aligesima keronko genda aligesima nanyora stata rweto original home gotoira alingororo once a year nandega aringe very effective kero abasirete ekenyorikia baba kuru 1982 ntomisi tikenyorikia baba every year na batata ali gutubeke galimi otoira mpaka aligesima tuomirana nechikazi nchaito twinyora baba nandi twairana na emyaka emenge mpaka nkarunka ngatiga gako enda ali kunyura mamu mwabo and it was a very nice and memorable day because we always saw our cousins Joseph araka korona kuru araka mbia sana volume mbia mona soko ndigereri ointato moiboru nambe yemo anchite kunyoma mama lakini kero kuligeria story ye mutone ekoro ku family tree na bokorrangu muga kongwenyi nero gerete bononde galime in fact inkaranste volvo ime ngokwana video ngokora noroche egali yembo atega iga eye bono numuga kongwenyi ogerete onye tali tata angatimbu atigali yenkonye kusuguma iska ogochiko bete iga yani kwiwe kwenda umwenyenye kera abantu batenga ngo n'umuntu ogutara wikaransete oyintata number 1 tata nero gerete ndegase ndegaiga litukolia rero umusacho kabiri ntete gwakira mbia mono ntata biara agotoka alimbu inzao tata biara geruse tyo botakaime korwa alimbu inzao akeruse asaba muraba mwabo nabana nasbati bamwabo agatika kire umuntu eskuru bale gote ungondo utagete kogende skuru akebwata agesomya tata biara gari tayete ne bank manager ya Barclays Bank koru nothing agesomya kagende skuru he became something omuga koli nero gerete ingacha goikasi ngigete bono iga rero nango kwana iga nyome to mwana oye orumusachone nero umusacha na mbaisa tontete gwakira mbia mono okay umusacha oyo nero make it possible na achire kwa bamama na achire ko kumukanya lebe na achire goikasi ngigete na nchengo tayanga balimo sogete tenena kero batenga onye kolebu tenena emyako siri na sta na abere no musacho oyo na ndo ndete irera enyinge buna iri na akagerete nga ninyenyore yonko mwakira ndi mbia mono nonya wosigika nikole nyumba nonya amangana gagocha make na bonko mwakira mbia mono nga mbia mono asoko ngancha peni na kurunyando chebere na hande gwanchire ko nyoma irinde nkonyorera abana namonyorera abana bane abana babiri ne college bali abana bari oyo mone high school bareke ngwerere bono class 5 umusacho yogengenete ko mwaka nambia mono kira lituko gonko mu appreciate na andi nko motebinde namanyitebo because uruche onya atanyoma no ntere tali nyando chebere nkonya komagamaga onya tata atandusi ali nyando chebere ngabono nonde no inchi nkonya ko timaiti anga inki bono ngokora osini chikonda ngokora tinkomanya asina lucha kutoka lakini asinge nchoyo yo yabantaba yagerire na tokire nkaranstega iga oyino musacho gatatu umusacho kane no my brother ku Simon Nyabicho ngwenyi that is my brother olio make it possible akaenda kandigiria admission e school agatiki kyale gokora akagenda kaligia admission e school ekagera nkagenda ngachaga iga America nkagenda embassy nkayewe visa ngachaga America nero usuguligete na kiregento ticket yeri na chirita America igoba nyebegete credit card asemu murominto okurukumbugo nabona atebe tuigo ticket yeyo bante tinga tugo kogorere ticket ye okoira na gogo ikaga iga gogo kole merimo otoiraniri ticket yeyo na ande sure enough ekere na chagete merimo emerime my brother angirete akangire school ya home health aid bononde kerimbota my brother Mokaya, my brother Ombogo, my brother Nyabicha, na bango yetukuru airport. Kale abantu bali ku airport numoyega. It was so emotional ngencho bango yetukuru airport Newark ina achite winter bakandetere jacket bakante imbi karibu America mwana minto. This is the America. I had not seen my two brothers for 18 years. My brothers barwete Kenya krana linge 4 years old. Bono yugo kingo cha kobanyora na chibicha chiko geramba timba manyeti. Mukaya gatenene airport. I remember one day yani nkonyora mna tenene te igabona wekora ngatimu manyeti because ekara rwete Kenya was 4 years old. Kona iganga ngalende timorora. I love that my brother. In fact ekara nkonyora that my brother he died in 2012. Nkoyuguboro that is the first person na asireti nkayuguboro sana and his name was Wesley. Trochi montoyo koro Wesley micheka. My brother Mokaya, I loved him a lot. I remember how he stood at the airport. Awe karanga timu manya. But I knew him. Nkamote Mokaya. A lot of love. Bakange jacket. Bakandeta nyomba. It was such a good, memorable day. Nkanyora barugiri. Nkanyora chingo kochi chiri freezer. Ngo kuminga ke. Na kimubuate chingo kochi nyinge. Iga banolete. Kalinga manetu sana. Nga kuminga ke. Mokaya talinga monetupi. Lakini ababande babiri mbia baragirite. My brother Simon. Nero menyeti. Nero ngete shelter nero ondende tongirete agandrop akangira ni nero nkonye tukuligie gari nero mbundise teko endie gari. My brother Simon he is no alega ige group ye ngo gwakera mbia mono you did such a big thing, ugankonya, ukanga orientation, ugante no drinking and driving, ugante bitoko gendi gali fast lane because yo wako gochiali okwe, ugante bito basa gukora amaliyo goma, ugante ichi speeding ticket, iga system you give me orientation. I am grateful for that brother of mine. Oyino muntu umusacha namba kane inye. Umusacha namba isano n'umwana one Brandon. Kirana na chete kinanga bono na atakire kwa bo moiboli konye na amenyire tuamenyirange miaka etatu n'umugako yone tokulira togoserere era ikiare kirana ike miaka 25 ga deciding abono nintete konyora abana na nyura amarwa isaini kisigara kisanire birawo bisanire nkana chekina. We are the few women tugwakiranya sambi ya mono tualietera tugaserera ikiara tukamenya kona chekina openly ngaki bono tikatonyora abana ekerana na chitekine nga bono twikaransa no mugaka tugateba okay bono twaratengire twisanikire tikatochake family ekero twana chitekine nga ngochaka turi family kera nkonda sama sabasi nyasaye because turamanya ko sinonyore bana ingasaba nyasaye nga nyasaye ga kinkonye nyoro umwana umumura first born timanye tinkina ari gusabira umwana umumura. I just wished umwana one abo umumura mutangi. That is the order na begeta asinyasaye. Na nyasaye akaona akangu umwana one Brandon. Umwana one Brandon is an amazing boy. Umwana yone is very humble. He is like his father. Tabu atimanga na maange. The guy is just easy going. Ekere koruna na moibolete. Tatage timanga na maange. He's just a quiet boy. And I learn lessons from this my son. Ekere na gechiwe. He is very quick. Con redirect on the mother. Why are you getting mad? Mother, it's not that serious. Mother, you always take things very seriously. Eh? My son Brandon is the most humble boy. Nande gentokende, nko mwadmaya, he lives a very simple life. Omwana yonega kubike sneaker mpaka yabo choka. Delphine Mongina, how are you? Omwana yone taningo tenga gari cheap skate, unabatenga bagusi very cheap. Wono yone arumu gusioli abantu bakonya tenga aru cheap. Omumru yone, he is very satisfied ni chianga chiae. Yakubika chianga chiae, chikobochoka, amagoka onacha. Yani umano yone is very simple. Nande gari satisfied nebinte viketali interested in so many flashy things. Nokora bana bande, banjite chisnika. Igari very simple. Keronkuli yeli umano yone, by choice. Talinga agaro motaka na wate chibese account. But he lives a very simple life that is very admirable. I keep it simple. Tanjeti argument. He got compliant, just like his father. And I thank God for this boy. And I pray for him that he can get a wife or the understanding but make a family. Because he's so easygoing. I like the way ako a mom. It's not that serious. I know you're from Nyandochebere, but here in America, mom, that's not serious. And one way I say, Nyasore is the new thing. Igate te konye meke benga Nyasore is not a big thing. Uninga kili na aliko te mamanga maru is not a big thing. Umate na aliko eresa mamanga ni intatinda, it doesn't mean anything. Lakini mama generation ni aliko understand iti mukungu, umuswati aende virabu achiko tenga botuko, ngana anda nyo maru, ngana anda nyo sigara, ngana anda nyo rumo sacha. There was no way my mother could understand that. Bona ige stage inde tindo chuno mwana tete konye Nyasore na anda function. But my son is able to take time on telling a mom, A, B, C, D. You understand? So that is the fifth man. And I learned a lot of lessons from Brandon. Again, the kind of Brandon got very defensive of his siblings. Don't come after his siblings. As the parents, he will challenge us. After his sister, he will stand for the sister. My friend. No yoito. No yo minu like no yoito. He's very defensive of his siblings. And I watch him. There are different days that we have to thank God for ebintebi awa. Lero, natural abasacha abatano. Abasacha abatano, they are very important to me. Nanda abasacha abatano, oyo mosiri, my father. Lakini ababande, they know. Every Friday, I call my father-in-law. Okay, now I'm questioning how you doing. Tata Tarasira, I made it clear. Tata Manyang, I'm very grateful that he changed my life. My brother Simon, please don't touch him. I can go above and beyond for my brother. My brother Simon is everything to me because he's the one who hosted me. My husband, thank you. Nkumwakira mbia muno mugakone for choosing me yani urocherende kurunyando chebere kuire chombe tibu gotenyore kobrugere chai yani chingiti wachiriga iga America at 19 years old ubu mwagaga no bokong lakini Nyasaye ondetero musacho kuruku my husband or willing kongancha bunande iga in fact na hande tomenye na in peace nere gintekenene peace totally in peace be because in the intention on hanta get peace nere gari intention on gata get peace because the background tokoro otu arweta saba abatata babere barenge so driven they wanted the best for us and I'm quick to remind him, sweetie, your dad and my dad had one thing in common. They wanted the best for us. Here we are. Can we make the best for our children? What can we do? We have those meetings where we sit in a sound mind and we talk about our children. We talk about the bills. We talk about our families. Tuagambe family yae, tuagambe ni family yani. Tuaboda ninga ki sweetie, where do you want us to go with this? Okay? Where do you see there's a breakdown? If your family, your sister is doing this, my sister is doing, what do you think we should do? I'm grateful for this man. And he's very accepting. Somebody is there who accepted. I'm grateful for him. I'm grateful for my son. I'm grateful that my son is making my heart feel good. Yes, there are challenges. But you know what? I'm grateful for these people. So Minto, don't take people for granted. Stella, how are you doing? Stella, I'm grateful for you as my friend. Yan tuamanya ndirikor primary. Stella mabayo tuamanya ndirikor manga. Nenje na lingeronge. Manya Stella Bible bawa bakakoira manga boarding school. Doka inkairu eronge primary boarding school. Rina lichi boarding school charinge hype. My father was able na mama kuongira eronge primary boarding school. We were the first group yoko in the school really. And we did well. We did very well. We are the products, original products of Eronge Primary Boarding School. Here I am. I'm not a failure. I don't sit here and say I failed. No. I sit here and take pride and I give credit to my parents for where I am today. I give credit to my father-in-law for raising an honorable man, for modeling good behavior, for modeling what a father figure is supposed to be. So that way I can be the beneficiary of a man who knows what family is. My son, I'm grateful for him that he has no understood what his place is in the family as a firstborn of my children. He knows his place. I'm grateful for those people. I appreciate them. Choose 5 people today and make that effort. Pick that phone and call them. As I was thinking to talk about this topic today, something I want to do as of this Friday, I'm planning to call my father-in-law and tell him every 2 weeks, I am going to send him $50. I want to give him $50 so he can call credit. I'll put credit on his phone. So he can call all his grandchildren. And I want him to call his grandchildren every 2 weeks. I'm putting the credit, Daddy, make time. Pigia wajuku wako wote simu over kwani. I'm going to do that moving forward. That is a promise I made today as I was thinking to talk about this. Take time, create time, be grateful. And when I come here, I preach what I'm practicing. I just don't tell you things that I'm not practicing. Some are hard, but I try so hard. And that's why I speak to the young people that are coming behind me. I am grateful to God that I had people who is my father, who's my mother, that put me where I am today. Abande mubwati, abande ni numochi kwa the first generation, abande ni numochi kwa tata, abande ni numochi kwa batanga ni kurobo takaime. Some of us ntolibo takaime. We were born into a family where na ibole tunkanyara tata bwate gali. There was no poverty there. But he is the first generation to remove himself. Onye nayo yo muboli. Chakalero kolengere linga kyuko irusi botakaime. School is not for everybody. Start a small business. On your mandas. Oni kende kyonzi. Oni chingoko. Start somewhere. So your children can enjoy the benefits the way we're enjoying the benefits here. Tobasako taka quick things. There is no shortcuts to success. Tataga to tebeti the best thing in the masomo. I'll pay for your education. After that, I won't be able to give you life skills. Life skills, I am teaching you, you have to learn, and you have to be willing to adapt to what I'm teaching you so you can be successful. Here we are. Nyasaye oyo, and please like my page and share this video. Okay?